Hi little English learners. Welcome to our channel. Have you watched the story of Elsa and Anna before? This story is about another adventure of Anna and Elsa. A long time ago, in the kingdom of Arendelle, there were two sisters, Elsa and Anna. Elsa was the older sister and had magical powers. She could create ice and snow. Anna didn't have powers, but she was brave, kind, and always believed in Elsa. Their parents told them a story when they were little. They said that in the north, there was an enchanted forest where people lived peacefully with nature spirits, earth, air, fire, and water. One day, the peace was broken, and the forest was covered in a thick mist. No one could go in or out. Years later, after Elsa became queen, she started hearing a mysterious voice calling her. The voice sounded magical and came from the north. Elsa felt it was calling her for a reason. Suddenly Arendelle began lost water, lights, and began to destroy. Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, Olaf, and Sven went on a journey to find where the voice was coming from to save Arendelle. They went into the enchanted forest. They traveled far and finally entered the enchanted forest. Inside, they met the Northuldra people, who lived with the nature spirits. Elsa and Anna also discovered that their mother was from the Northuldra tribe. Elsa wanted to learn the truth about her powers and why the forest was trapped in mist. She followed the voice further north, across the dark sea, where she met the water spirit, a magical horse made of water. Elsa tamed it and reached a place called Ottahallan, a river of memories. In Ottahallan, Elsa saw memories from the past. She learned she was the fifth spirit, the one who connects all the others. Her grandfather, the old king of Arendelle, had built a dam to hurt the forest and weaken the Northuldra. This made Elsa very sad. She went too far into Ottahallan and froze, but before she did, she sent the truth to Anna through magic. Anna got Elsa's message and understood that the dam was hurting the forest. She knew it had to be destroyed, even if that meant Arendelle might be flooded. She and Olaf were alone because Kristoff got lost trying to find her, and Elsa was frozen. Anna tricked the earth giants into throwing rocks at the dam, and the dam broke. This released the magic in the forest. At the same time, Elsa unfroze and came back, just in time to save Arendelle from the water with her ice powers. With the truth known and the forest free, peace returned. Elsa realized her place was not in the castle but in the enchanted forest, where she could live with the spirits and protect nature. Anna became the new queen of Arendelle, and Kristoff finally asked her to marry him. She said yes. Even though they lived in different places now, Elsa and Anna stayed close and visited each other often. This is how the adventure of two sisters ends. Hope you liked the video and subscribe for more videos.